Despite supply issues, Saskatchewan's housing sales remain high compared to pre-pandemic years. Housing sales in Regina hit a record high in May with 456 residential homes sold. In Saskatoon, there were 541 home sales in May. That's according to new data from the Saskatchewan Realtors Association. It says the two cities are the most affordable in Canada.
But I think what's different for Saskatchewan is that, some of the inflationary challenges that everybody is facing, as well as, the changes in interest rates are not hitting us as hard. I think inflation is actually lower here than a lot of places in the country. Our reality is different. Things are still, affordable here. There is opportunity. Prices have been increasing, but there's still a lot of room for buyers here.
According to the Canadian Real Estate Association, Saskatchewan is the only province with cheaper homes this year than last year. But the average cost of a home in Regina was more expensive in May than it was 5 years ago by 4.1%. The same data showed house prices in Saskatoon regions increased 13.3%. Rising mortgage rates are expected to have some cooling impacts on housing demand.
We don't see that changing anytime soon. I imagine, that the supply levels are going to continue to be low, and it's going to be all of our jobs, business, government, to figure out how we can get more built and do it smartly and responsibly.
A Regina economics professor says these increases may affect the size and types of homes people seek to buy in Saskatchewan.
The other thing that's probably happening here, and we may see this sort of plateau out, is you may see people moving to get into a house before the mortgage rates finish rising. So you get in now, you lock in at that lower mortgage rate. If you think rates are going to hit, say, 6.5%, 7%, do it now, get in, and you've covered yourself.
Child says he thinks Saskatchewan is nearing its peak in housing sales. Laura Sharpaletti, CBC News, Regina.